Organizers of the Gibson MCcook relays have made slight adjustments to this year's schedule to accommodate more entries than initially anticipated. There is also a change to the ticketing system for Saturday's 53rd staging of the Relay Carnival. Jermaine Brown reports.
Although announcing in advance that this year's Gibson MCcook relays would be a finals-only meet, with the teams being invited based on last year's results, organizers have been faced with several requests to allow additional entries. Member of the organizing committee, Ryan Peralto, explained that they've had some challenges, including accommodating more senior athletes for Saturday's meet.
Challenges where a team this year is doing well, but last year they didn't come in the top 8. And you couldn't include them because we only could do 8 spots. But with that still, we found a couple of events where we just had to do more than one section. So for example, the women's 60 meters will be 3 sections. The men's 60 meters will be 2 sections. The 4x100 clubs and institutions will be 2 sections as well. And the 4x400 girls will be 2 sections as well. That's as much as we could squeeze into the program without the program going over time.
Peralta also explained at Thursday's Howard Ayres lecture series that they've also been forced to make changes to their ticket system for the meet.
We have tried now a new online ticketing system, and we've gotten feedback that the ticketing system has been a challenge for people using it. And so as of tonight, we'll be shutting down the online system and we'll be running printed tickets for the sales tomorrow and Saturday. We really want to have people come out to the event. We have some top flight competitors.
Meanwhile, in calling on fans to come out and support the event, Peralto also sought to point out that the meet will be used to support the senior athletes' quest to qualify for Jamaica's team to the World Indoor Championships.
You can have 16 teams running in the clubs and institutions in Kingston, Jamaica. You know you have a serious program here in Jamaica. And we know that, but let's not take it for granted. Let's come out and let's support the athletes as they prepare.